Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings on your Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destiny 2 game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. While completing these levels, if you wish to make any changes within the game audio, then simply tap on the escape button within your keyboard and then tap on open settings. Now from the open settings menu, tap on sound, and now you have the options to control the volume level for sound effects, the dialogue as well as cinematics, and the music along with the chat volume. If you wish to mute them, make sure to set them all the way to the left or set their values to 0, and you can simply go back to the game and the volume levels that you have set will be applied to your game right away. After choosing your preferred levels of audio, you can go back to your game and start enjoying your desired settings. And you can make any changes if you wish in the future by simply going back to the same audio settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings within the Destiny 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.